In front of me is Realme C51, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, just open Devices Settings and tap on Connected Devices right away. Now tap on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Now you need to select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, click on this gear right next to the available device and hit Forget next to connect. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!